January. The California wildfires, from January 7th to January 31st, 2025, were a series of devastating wildfires that affected Southern California and the surrounding Los Angeles metropolitan area. California wildfires have evolved from a seasonal disaster into an increasingly severe and deadly annual threat. The state faces a nearly annual wave of massive fires that scorch millions of acres, destroy homes, claim lives, and cause significant economic losses. Its geographic location, dry climate, and global climate change make California one of the most fire-prone regions in the world. February. In February 2025, the United States once again faced the extreme forces of nature. A massive February blizzard, a surge of Arctic air, descended from Canada, bringing deadly temperatures, heavy snow, and ice that crippled the lives of millions of Americans. Temperatures plummeted. In some cities, temperatures reached -25 to -35 degrees Celsius, with wind chills feeling much colder. These conditions made the air feel freezing within minutes, increasing the risk of hypothermia and frostbite. Transportation was the hardest-hit sector. Thousands of flights were canceled at major airports like Chicago O'Hare, Dallas-Fort Worth, and New York JFK. Major highways were closed due to heavy snow and slippery ice. Many vehicles were stranded for hours, even overnight, amid the ongoing snowstorm. March 2025 was a challenging time for the United States. The transition from winter to spring triggered a variety of major natural disasters, from powerful hurricanes and tornadoes to massive flooding and early-season wildfires. One of the most prominent disasters was the extreme spring storm that struck the American Midwest and South. The powerful storm system brought strong winds, heavy rain, large hail, and tornadoes, damaging hundreds of homes and critical infrastructure. States such as Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri were placed under a state of emergency due to widespread damage and mass power outages. April. A major tornado outbreak occurred from April 2nd to 7th, 2025, in the southern and Midwest United States. 157 tornadoes were recorded during this period, with many being strong up to EF3 and destroying homes and infrastructure. This severe weather was accompanied by flash floods and extreme rain in various states such as Kentucky, Missouri, Arkansas, Tennessee, and Mississippi. As a result, dozens of people died and hundreds were injured and thousands of buildings were damaged. May. Significant flooding occurred in the Mid-Atlantic region, including Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and Washington, D.C., due to atmospheric rivers carrying heavy rainfall. The intense rain caused rivers to overflow, requiring evacuations, and at least one death was reported. A major tornado outbreak swept across the Midwest and Ohio Valley, with approximately 60 tornadoes confirmed. These tornadoes caused at least 26 deaths, more than 168 injuries, and approximately $5.9 billion in damage.